Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about two very important Japanese particles, de and ni, when they are used to talk about locations. You may have already learned both of these particles, but they can be a little confusing because they both seem to be used with places. So what's the difference? That's what we'll cover in this video. By the way, if you are wondering about the difference between wa and ga, check the description. We've got another video just for that. Let's dive in. So let's start with ni. Ni can be used in two common ways when talking about places. First, to say where something or someone goes. The second, to say where something or someone is. Let's focus on the first one, talking about where someone goes. When you use verbs like 行きます to go, 帰ります, you usually use them with ni. So it's super helpful to remember 行きます and 帰ります go together with ni. Think of them as a team. Examples: 学校に行きます I go to school. 家に帰ります I return home. Here, ni shows the destination, where you are going to. It's not just for go and return. Here are some other verbs that often go with ni when talking about destinations. 入ります to enter. 店に入ります I enter the shop. 通う to attend regularly. 塾に通っています I attend cram school. If the question is where to, you need ni. Now let's look at the other use, saying where something is. Examples: 椅子の下に猫がいます There is a cat under the chair. あそこにマクドナルドがあります There is McDonald's over there. In this case, ni tells you where something exists. It's like saying that's the location it's in. So remember, use ni when you are talking about where something is or where something goes, the destination of a movement. Okay, now let's look at de. De is used when something happens at a location. There's an action taking place. So the structure is place de action verb. Example 1. 家でテレビを見ます I watch TV at home. Now we are talking about what you do at home, not just that you are there. Example 2. 公園で本を読みます I read a book in the park. The park is where the action reading is happening. Use de when something happens in a place. Let's compare two similar sentences. 学校に行きます I go to school. Here, ni shows the destination where you are going. On the other hand, 学校で勉強します I study at school. Here, de shows the place of the action. So, ni going to a place, de doing something at a place. Choose the correct particle, ni or de. 図書館、勉強します Study at the library. 図書館で勉強します because the action happens at the library. 部屋、本棚があります There is a bookshelf in the room. The answer is ni because it's where the bookshelf is. 歯医者行きます I go to the dentist. The answer is ni because 歯医者 is a destination. 学校テストをします I take exams at school. The answer is de because the test happens at school. To recap, use ni when you want to say something is somewhere or you go somewhere. Use de when you want to say something happens somewhere Keep listening to native Japanese, and you'll start to feel the difference naturally. If you want more practice, try writing your own sentences using de and ni and post them in the comment. I will reply to you. お疲れ様でした。Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner Japanese lessons. See you next time. またね。バイバイ。